ko. Nabis nyo yung intro ko, no? Okay. So, for today's video, I'm going to do the I tried following Choo makeup. Ang gagayahin ko is si That's Bella. And alam niyo naman ako, sa mga videos ko, beginner pa lang ako sa pag-makeup. So, yung napili ko is yung Halloween makeup ni That's Bella. Feel ko naman is medyo madali naman for me kasi parehas kami beginner sa makeup. I mean, siguro medyo may pagka-pro na siya pero hindi kasi ako pro sa makeup. And without further ado, sarap ng buhok ko. Let's get started!
Hey, that's right, it's Bella. Since it's Halloween, I decided to do a pop art Halloween makeup look that is very easy to recreate. Because to be honest, I've tried some Halloween makeup looks and I just can't recreate them because, you know, I'm just a beginner when it comes to makeup. Okay, without further ado, let's just get started. So yeah, you guys should download the app because it's pretty cool. And before I do my makeup, so let's start off by moisturizing my face using this
wala ako nung kamukha na sa kanya. So, ang gagamitin ko is...
And sorry if you can hear my electric fan. I cannot turn it off because it's super hot. Okay, before I put on foundation, I just look...
By the way, guys, yung face ko pala is nagkakaroon ako ng medyo breakout. Kasi this past few days, gumamit ako ng makeup 2 days kasi dahil sa choir. So, yun. Medyo iniwasan ko yung makeup pero yun na nga para sa video. At saka yung ginawa ko kahapon na peachy makeup look.
I wanna share like a scary experience of mine.
So, ako din.
I think this is like...
share akong scary experience. Wala naman akong gano'n. Wala naman nakakatakot sa buhay ko. Nakakatakot lang is magmahal, tapos masaktan. Uy, joke lang. Baka sabihin nyo, BH ako.
Moving on, let's put on some foundation. So, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and
Maybelline. Meron ako nun. Ito. Fit Me. Kaso, gagamitin ko muna is BB cream. Kasi like what I said kanina, medyo nagaano yung face ko. Parang ayaw ko muna siyang masyadong i-ano sa foundation. Basta yun.
Foundation, and I love this foundation
so gagamitin ko yung favorite.
I'm just gonna pour a little bit on my hand. Oh yeah, I forgot to put on my headband.
Wala akong headband. Nawawala yung headband ko.
Now taking my, what brush is this? Expert face brush, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. And we want to have like a medium to full coverage. And by the way, if you guys are wondering, I'm in shade 220. Is that right? Yeah, 220 Natural Beige. Okay, now it is time for concealer.
Wait. Guys, gusto ko yung ano na to. Gusto ko yung BB cream na to. Kasi, ang light niya lang sa face. Tapos, ang bango niya. Tapos, para na siyang may moisturizer. I mean, for me ha. Kasi feel ko nakakaano siya ng face. Diba lahat naman ng BB cream is may yan, ganon. Gets nyo ba? Nakakatamad mag-explain pero yan.
Dry bags. So I'm concealing my under eyes.
Concealer. Wait lang Bella. Alam nyo guys, kasi edit ko lang si Bella.
And by the way, I use...
Wait. Yung ko, kunin ko lang yung concealer ko. So guys, unfortunately, wala yung concealer kasi dinala ni mami ko. So sad. So, I think, dodoble na lang natin yung BB cream or going to use another foundation. Ganapin pa na siya na concealer.
Concealer. And this is my favorite concealer. Now it is time to set my foundation and concealer with my Laura Mercier powder.
So, may ano ako dito. So, may salamin ako dito and apple siya. Ang cute, no? Tignan natin kung paano siya nag-concealer.
My Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And this
Sa eyes. And then...
is my favorite concealer. Now it is time to set my...
Yun lang. Medyo dinagdagan ko. By the way guys, kaya ako pala ginawa dun tong I tried following True Makeup. Kasi ano, madami din nag-request sa inyo na gawin ko yung ganito. Actually, wala akong balak talagang gawin to kasi nga, mahirap mag-edit. Kasi yung pang-edit ko nga ginagamit is Movie Maker lang. Na talagang, yun lang talaga yung ginagamit ko for the whole video. Pero na lang kapag intro, iba yung ginagamit ko. So, ayun, bali, ang ginawa ko, search ako sa YouTube kung paano yung maglagay ng overlay. Yung how to put video on your video. Yun yung una ko sinerch, pero overlay pala yung tawag doon. Okay, next.
Foundation and concealer with my Laura Mercier powder. And it's a translucent.
Nagamitin ko yung itchy doon.
sponge. And just gonna set my under eyes first.
Okay, mag-set siya. Set siya. Wait lang, no, Bella.
Then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. Okay, we are done with the face. Now let's...
Ang bilis ni Bella ha, in fairness.
move on to the gel eyeliner. And it has to be black, so this one is from Sigma. And then
gel, wait, Bella. Pero may ano ako dito, black eyeliner. Pwede ba? Pwede naman to, diba?
this wing liner brush
Wing
from
liner.
Zoeva, and I'm gonna outline my whole face with it. Okay, I'm gonna outline my forehead.
Wait lang! Ano ba yan? So, ito yung wing liner ko.
Diba? And I'm gonna outline my whole face with it. Okay, I'm gonna outline my forehead.
Wait lang.
Okay.
So, ang ginawa niya ganyan. Wait, right.
With it. Okay, I'm gonna outline my forehead.
I'm gonna outline my forehead.
Okay. That's not
Wait.
bad.
Dito. Wait lang ha, guys. Kinakabahan ako din. Tama ba? Oh my God. Ba't
Line,
ko hindi nakita?
aka my double chin. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to my brows.
So, ginawa niya pati din sa kabila. Nakikita ba yun sa akin? Feel ko kapala natin ng konti, no? Kapala natin ng konti. Ano ba yung ginagawa ko, Bel? Kinakabahan talaga. Wala lang. Tada! Oops, hindi pantay. Wala natin. Ba't nung kay Bella ang ganda? Naku, no, Bianca. Line lang yan. Diyos mio. Maganda na ba?
Wait,
Hindi ko naman nagagawa sa akin
just
na
gonna
gano'n.
brush my brows
Okay, wait lang yung
So that
brows.
would be
Brows.
easier to
Takpan muna
outline.
natin.
Okay, I'm gonna go closer for you guys to see.
Wait. Wait! So we're going to brush our eyebrows. Ang kapal.
Oh, my brows are on fleek.
Oh, my brows are on fleek! Joke lang. Wait lang, paano niya ba ginawa? Ang kapal. Maganda ba? So, ayun nga po. Nagpo-focus ako dito sa kilay ko. Uy, bakit hindi tayo parehas? Hindi ako magaling gumawa ng kilay kapag ganito. Eh? Ang kapal. Ba't yung sa kanya ang ganda? Pangit. Ang gagawin ko? So, lilinisin natin siya ng wipes. Para ano, ang kapal eh. Para mabawasan. Kapag naman hindi ako Ay naku, ba't ko ba ginagawa to? So, ngayon, ayusin ko lang sandali. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is ayusin ko lang yung kilay ko. So, yan. Okay na yan. Ito na, pinoproblema ko yung kabila.
Okay, now it's time to do the other eyebrow.
The other
My brows
eyebrow.
are so dark. I'm basically just following the shape of my brows. Now I'm gonna outline my eyelid.
Wait! Bakit parang hindi pantay yung kilay? Wala pa, Bianca. Wala pa. Huwag kang excited, okay? Hindi sila pantay, no? Wait lang. I-fill lang natin yung eyebrows natin. Para mag-pantay. Hindi sila pantay! Pwede na yan. Okay, next. Okay, next.
Now I'm gonna outline my eyelid.
Ano?
Now I'll be doing the same thing to my other eyelid.
Eyelid. Wait, Bella, wait. Oh. Nakikita niya ba? Patingin na sa'yo.
Then I'm gonna contour my nose with...
Uy, ang taas na. Mali na naman ginawa ko. Sayang BB cream. So, yung eyelids is medyo mataas sa eyelids mo talaga. Gets nyo? Hindi pantay. Naku, naiinis na ako ah. Bakit nasakan lang?
Again, my gel eyeliner.
Wait lang. Wala na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Sinimulan mo, Bianca. Panindigan mo. Mukha na akong may black eye sa mata. Gagamitin ko na lang ata yung pencil, no? Tingnan. Bakit ang kapal? Ay, ayoko na talaga. Pwede na yan. Pwede na yan. Ayoko na. Pantay ba? Mas maganda talaga akong gagamitin ko with wing liner.
Then I'm gonna contour my nose with, again, my gel eyeliner.
Wait lang.
Diba? Next, I'm gonna contour my...
Ang bilis! Porket maayos si sa'yo, ah. Pwede na ba to, Bella? Hindi kasi siya pantay. Seriously. Pwede na yan. Yung nose niya. Wait lang, hindi ko makita. Right, ito yung right. Ito yung mahaba. Paano niyan? Wala akong matilis na ilong. Wait. Diba? Hey guys, mukha na akong taong grasa. Tapos, pati dito. Bakit sa kanya mukha meron pa dito. Ang pangit ko! Okay, let's move on na.
Next, I'm gonna contour my
Ano
cheeks.
sa kanya?
Yes. And you can always clean up the edges by using a makeup wipe.
Uy, ang ganda talaga na sa kanya. Nakakaya.
And of course, don't forget, that's well amazing. Don't forget to contour your other cheek. Now, I'm gonna outline my chin.
Wait.
The liner has to be super pigmented.
So, ayun po, nagko-concentrate ako.
So that it could be more realistic. If you have a cleft chin, you can also
Wait. Ba't ganyan? Ba't di pantay? Namatay yung phone ko. Pero nakita ko naman. So, tignan natin. Ang pangit. So guys, namatay yung phone ko. Gagamitin ko is yung laptop. And kainis. Ngayon pa namatay, no? Ang bangit talaga, oh. Kung kailan patapos na doon pa namatay yung phone ko, no?
If you have a cleft chin, you can also outline.
Wala akong cleft chin.
I think it's gold.
Okay. Wait. Pati daw yun dito. Maayos, guys. Diyos ko.
There you go. Now it is time to move on to the lips. So I don't really have like a lot of red lipsticks because I'm
Red
lipsticks. So I only have this one.
Hello, wala akong red.
It's Beauty Time.
So, may red ako dito kaso hindi sa akin, sa mami ko. Meron akong 4 na red lipsticks. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung maganda dito. Tignan ko lang. Medyo orange ito. Next is ito. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Mom. For watching this, I'm sorry. This is too red. Min dark red. Ito nag-work. So, nakikita kong red is ito.
So take this red color. But you can actually go for other lip colors. But you know, I chose red. So my lips are a bit dry. So guys, make sure to moisturize your lips before putting on lipstick.
Hindi ako
I
nag-moisturize.
didn't.
Wait, nilagay niya lang ba?
Okay, I'm done putting on my red.
Wait, ako hindi pa. Alam niyo guys, I don't like red lipstick. Tada! Medyo glossy yung ano.
And now, I'm gonna outline my lips again with the gel eyeliner. So just follow the shape of your lips.
Okay, gagayain lang daw natin yung lips natin. Ang pangit! Hi Bella, kung mapanood mo man ito, huwag ka sana ma-disappointed. Ayoko na, guys. Napaka-epic naman.
You can also outline your neck.
Neck.
So yeah, that completes this Pop Art Halloween makeup look.
Tingin!
So yeah.
Paano ba? Ang pangit to. Yoko na. So, finally, I'm done with this look. And guys, look at my hands. It's a mess. And so, alam ko, medyo epic to. I tried following That's Bella makeup. And, okay, mas maganda yung sa kanya kaysa sa akin. Of course, syempre siya ang original talaga na gumawa na to. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in my next one. Bye guys! Peace out! Gusto mo na talagang tanggalin tong makeup na to. Pangit ko, mukha akong taong grasa. Tignan nyo naman, oh.